Lioness Creationz,
Baby, it's
Creationz,
cold outside.
31 days of how to.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been
been
hoping that you'd drop
so
in.
very nice.
I hold you.
Hello everyone and welcome to 31 days of how to. So right here I'm just showing you guys what my curls look like when they're defined and not defined. So I'm just gonna start off by going throughout my whole head and coiling each individual curl so that I'm able to define my curls. So basically I just took my spray bottle, which has a mixture of oils, things such as tea tree oil and vitamin E oil, etc. I have more oils in there, but I just don't feel like naming all of them. So like I said, I'm just going through and coiling each individual curl. Do mind, this does take a quite bit of time to do, especially if you do them as small as me, but you would like to do your curls how you wear your hair, just because you will get a more accurate trim when doing this. So boom, here goes my hair after I just got done coiling it. As you see, one side is already dried, and I did go ahead and start trimming that side as well before this video started. And as you can see, this side is still wet. I actually do prefer to cut my hair wet just because it helps me to determine what is dead and what is not dead. Because when you have natural curly hair, it's easier to determine what is dead and what is not dead once you get your hair wet and it does not curl up. Because like I said, it's natural curly hair. Once it gets wet, it should curl back up. It should bounce back up. As you can see, the one side of my head that I did start to trim and is dry, you see how beautiful my curls just curl up? You don't really see any straight pieces hanging from the bottom. That's not cute. Not at all. We not walking around with straight pieces 2022. No. We're going to trim our hair, get our hair trimmed. And if you do not feel comfortable doing this by yourself, don't worry. Lioness Creationz got you. All you gotta do is go to my bio, click the link, and book now. That's all you gotta do. But I really encourage all of my followers and my clients to try these at-home tactics just because, it will help you maintain healthy hair. If you do not like going to the salon or you don't like paying to get your hair done all the time, these are simple ways to help you maintain your curly hair. Right here, I just put it in slow-mo for y'all just so y'all can see. Do y'all see those split ends? Like, ew, they have to go. It's so ugly. It just makes your hair so brittle and causes breakage. Get them split ends off. I'm gonna end up showing you guys another one. I just don't know when I'll do that. Let me see. I think it's coming up. But yeah, anyways, so I hope you guys really understand what I'm trying to say. So anytime you coil your hair and you see that it's just split at the end, the curl is not staying together, or it just looks dry and brittle, it's time to let it go. Okay, boom, right here. So I'm gonna show y'all. Ew, don't mind my face, it's ugly, I know. You see this? It's just split. Boom, gone. You see that? No longer split. It just became a beautiful curl that just coiled up into such a beautiful curl, And like I said, I'm just gonna go throughout my whole head and continue this process. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clarify it for y'all one more time so that everyone can understand. So boom, step number 1, make sure you wet your hair. You can use a product if you like. If you are going to wear your hair in the coils afterwards, you can go ahead and use a custard or whatever. But I just use simple oils for my hair and water, just so that there's no weight or anything to affect my curl and me, actually determining what is dead and what is not dead. So, that's step 1. Coil your hair. Step 2 would be to look at each individual curl at the end. If you see that it's split, dry, brittle, just anything of that nature, cut it off. It's time to go. Like, you see that one? It was just split. It was time to let it go. And you see, it just came right off. Like, people try to keep the length of their hair just because, they want long hair. Don't care, honey. But no, it's time to go. 2022, we're promoting healthy hair all year. None of that straight ends. We don't want that. We don't want to walk around with noodles. Come on now. We need to start embracing our curls, getting our hair trimmed more, you know, doing our deep conditions, using the right products, things like that. So that's why I'm coming to you guys this month with 31 days of how to. We are going to get together and make sure that we understand what it is and what it takes to take care of our natural, curly, beautiful hair. You know, I'm just so excited, you guys. I really am. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead, throw my whole head and continue this process. I hope you guys love this video. I was really nervous making this just because my voice sounds a mess. I am like have a little cold right now. But also, this was my first how-to video. And I hope that, you know, you guys really understood what I was saying and that you really enjoyed this video. Just look at that. Cut, boom, gone. All right, let me stop saying that. But yeah, you know, it just makes me so excited to see how beautiful the curl can be once you let them damaged ends go. But yeah, once again, I can't wait to see you guys try these tactics at home. I really want to see how they come out. Beautiful bouncing curls. Oh my goodness. Yes, honey. Work it, work it, work it. Yes. Period. Period. Lioness Creationz on the coils and trim. Period. Don't forget to share this video.
Dog Dusty controlling. Picture me. I'm a